Hi, I'm Gordon from Camera Labs, and this is a quick video all about the brand new Sigma BF, a new camera that was launched just now in Sigma's HQ here in Japan. It's designed as a simple system camera for everyday use, aimed at photographers first. It uses the L mount for lenses, has a 24 megapixel full frame sensor, and costs around $2,000. The minimalist design is machined from a single block of aluminium with a style and finish similar to premium Apple products. It's available in black and silver, looks and feels great in your hands, although do watch out for fingerprints on the black version. Sigma also announced silver versions of all of its I-series lenses to match that silver body. The controls and layout are deliberately simple, with only a shutter release on the top, a strap lug on the right, a USB-C port on the left, and underneath a tripod thread in line with the optical axis and a pop-out battery. You'll note there's no card slot on the camera, and that's because it employs internal storage only, 230 gigabytes in total, and that's enough for around 14,000 JPEGs or about 4,300 DNG RAW files. Composition is with a screen only. Sadly, there's no viewfinder despite its photo-oriented goals. At least the display is kept clean though, with the live view interface encouraging you to shoot with no information overlaid. Note the small display to the upper right side of the main screen, which indicates the latest setting. The user interface and menu system is completely redesigned for simplicity with two main screen views. The first overlays a strip of settings at the top and bottom for the usual exposure, drive, quality and color options, while the second view drills down into things like overlays. Beyond this, there are some more traditional menu options, but Sigma's really tried to keep things clean and simple. Inside is a 24 megapixel full frame sensor with phase detect, autofocus and up to 6K video. Now Sigma hasn't confirmed yet, but it's looking a lot like the sensor in the Lumix S5 II or S9. And like the S9, I also believe that it doesn't have a mechanical shutter, probably electronic only. But this is pure speculation on my part right now, and I'll confirm as soon as I know for sure. Ultimately, while I would have personally preferred to have a viewfinder and a mechanical shutter on a camera that's aimed at photography first, there's certainly no denying that the Sigma BF is an original looking model. And like their previous ones, it's really nice to see them trying to do something really different, and they certainly succeeded at that. P.S. Sigma also launched two new zooms at the same time as the BF. The first is a 16 to 300mm f3.5 to 6.7, a super zoom designed for APS-C mirrorless cameras costing $700 and available in L, E, X and Canon RF mounts. Second is the 300 to 600mm f4 sports zoom for full frame L and E mount systems, costing around $6,000 and acting a bit like a 600 f4 prime, but with the chance to also zoom out to 300mm. Note the internal zoom, twisting control ring, declickable tripod collar and Arca Swiss dovetail. Nice. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.